She's your host, Frida, and this is IWD with Kaeme.
As much as I'm 10 years old as Kaeme and I'm getting into my teenage years, I still feel like I need to speak to some older teenagers,
It shouldn't be about the money. It shouldn't be just a job that you're looking for.
I mean, I would say take a risk sometimes and, jump in. You never know what good can come out of it.
Sometimes you even think you know what you're doing, but you realize actually not really.
Join us as we celebrate today's woman, bold, driven, and accelerating action for a better future.
The ways to empower the women and hopefully we hope they take it with them.
I'm supposed to onboard as many women entrepreneurs as possible.
Get ready to be inspired, motivated, and empowered. This is IWD with Kaeme.